Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an issue with WhatsApp where you're not receiving WhatsApp notification on your iPhone. This is a common issue on WhatsApp where it keeps telling the user that push notification is disabled and you need to go into iPhone settings, notifications, and then WhatsApp to enable this. Now, when you go to that location, you won't see the WhatsApp application. In my case, I have already fixed the issue, but before I was not able to see the WhatsApp application as well. So to resolve this, go back into your settings page. Now tap on General, then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. From this menu, tap on Reset Location and Privacy. Now enter in your passcode and then screen time passcode, and then confirm one more time to reset location and privacy settings. This will reset your location and privacy data on your iPhone, and it shouldn't take that long. Once it has been reset, now go back to the home screen and open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open WhatsApp, you'll be asked to access your contacts, and then after that, enable notification. Make sure to enable both of these options. After this, your notification issue with WhatsApp should be resolved on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.